One of the jobs that people just don't really do is with rhododendrons, when they've got these horrible deadheads, yeah, they're actually the seeds is to actually get rid of them. Now all you have to do is break them off like that. They come off really easily, as you can see. They just snap out, and what you then encourage, I can chat while I'm doing this, can't I, you see? What it encourages is new growth from this position. Whereas if you didn't do that, what would actually happen is that the plant would be encouraged to try and produce seed. Now, as you can see, there's one that was just done recently. You can see the new buds, the new leaf buds. And up here, you can see where they're really getting hold. And you're going to get lovely new growth from out the top of it. So it's important to just get rid of these. They don't look pretty on any rhododendron. So what I'd suggest is, if you've got rhododendrons in your garden, look for these seed heads. They just snap out with your fingers. It's really easy. And then the other important thing on rhododendrons is to remember that they produce the next year's flower buds from July through to September. So it's really important that you keep them lovely and moist and well fed during that period, and you'll find that you'll get a lovely rhododendron in the coming spring.